You know what else is running at 8,000 RPM? Us. I think it's time for our first Fox NASCAR.
Hamlin in charge as we get set for this competition on Little lap 50.
Looking for the green flag.
The final stage.
Ready, great, rolling good.
48's coming outside. There's no hold.
Eric Almirola was leaving his pit stall and drove right into the side of Kevin Harvick.
Killed the right front fender. Damn it. I can't tell for sure. I think it might be okay.
Kyle Busch trying to get out as Cole Whitt tries to get in.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would do to put my guys out there right at that time. Good job, team.
Also, Bubba Wallace busted for speeding.
I was just so confused coming in. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? I about run over the 88 and everybody. Halfway down, I realized I was in third. So, all good. Take it off here. We'll be fine.
Clear. Car clear. Clear. Half Carling. I exposed it.
1 lap to go in stage number 1. Oh, they're making contact.
Busch is beginning.
All right. Hell yeah, boys. Great job, everybody.
Let the party begin.
Good job, team. Idiots. Yeah, we told them. Sorry about that.
Also, Bubba Wallace busted for speeding.
I was just so confused coming in. I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? I about run over the 88 and everybody. Halfway down, I realized I was in third. So, all good. Take it off here. We'll be fine.